Hey guys, how you doing? LaSalle here. Come to talk to you more about this product called CB Pro Ads. Just want to hop right into it and let's get started. So if you're into ClickBanks, first I want to say please subscribe and like this video because I will be bringing you more reviews about affiliate programs and even business in general. Have a lot of good things for you guys to partake in, and let's go ahead and get you started. If you're into ClickBanks, this is a great program for you. This is called CBPro ADS. It basically generalizes all of the products that are within ClickBanks. So it's a great tool here, guys, and I want you to take part of it, and you actually get a storefront. Here's a couple of things that you will see. Get your link here so you can promote. Let's go ahead and go in here, see what I'm talking about. This right here is just an example of what you get when you sign up for CBPro ads, and this is basically linked to. First, you need to start if you know anything about ClickBanks, let's go here so I can show you a little bit more about this. Sign up for ClickBanks, and basically that's my account name, and that account name gets added to all of your ClickBank opportunities with inside CB Pro Ads. So go ahead and start your account here at ClickBanks, and as you can see, these are things that that are included in the marketplace for ClickBanks, and everything that's included in here is on CB Pro Ads that you will be able to have access to. Anyone that signs up with any of those market products and click CB Pro ads will basically see. This is my ClickBanks account right here. Anyone who takes part in your products on ClickBank Pro ads, basically that's what CB Pro ads stands for. They will your name will automatically be added to each product. So let's go back over here and see what I'm talking about. So if you click onto one of these, let's say this is a good one. A lot of people who are into Forex, they go to purchase this product right here, they'll be taken here, and everything is basically filled out for you. Like, they give you the photo for the people to see. And if I go ahead and want to visit the site, as you can see, my name is right here. So I will be credited up to 75% if this product is sold. And we have a lot of those that go like that. Let's go ahead and try another one. Go back to categories. They have everything. They got money making, as you can see, family. It's over 15,000 products that they can choose from. Backyard living, education, crafts and hobbies. Let's go on crafts and hobbies under family and see what that provides. Woodworking. Yeah, I hear that's a very popular product at that. And go ahead and go in here. Go ahead and click on visit Ted's Woodworking. This is more of a do-it-yourself. And more about CD Pro. So anyone who purchases this, see, that's something a little bit about that. So anyone that goes on here and attends your storefront, they'll get an option over 15,000 products. And what this does, you also have WordPress plugins that CBPro Ads gives you. That option, you don't have to. You could just put the HTML into plug it in to your WordPress account. But the great thing about CBPro Ads that they provide you with a storefront, which I was showing you right here. They have different ones, but if not the plugin, you can go ahead and add that to your website over there at WordPress, and basically you'll have this option to run ads on any blog, or if you don't have any blog or website, that's what that's for. You have different options with the storefronts here that they provide you with here at CBPro Ads. Also, they also have a niche opportunity for you to promote in a certain niche, and that's also a great opportunity. Let's see. Let's go ahead and try to clear that out. So, storefront niche. Your niche storefront also, you can see, this is basically like what your niche storefront would look like. And anything that you could promote these in case you want a specific, like health, fitness, anything like that. See, body detox, they have that as well. Body detox, and basically, this is a niche storefront. So these are great opportunities for you, great tools for you to go ahead and get started. They have ad generator. Let's see, tell you about links. Links. This is a demo. You go ahead and integrate this into your website as well. And like I said, most of you won't have to do this because they provide you with your storefront, with the general storefront of almost everything that comes inside ClickBank. So, you don't even have to really do with these. I suggest you start a pro account, which I will leave this link in under my video, so you guys will go ahead and take advantage of this. I am a pro account. You can also sign up for free, which is great. But the thing about that you will get 50% of your ads, because they run ads on the bottom of our sites, our storefront. So you'll get 50%, and the other 50% goes to CBPro, so Pro Ads. So I suggest you just go ahead and get the pro account and get started like that. But you're also welcome to just go ahead and get the free account. This one right here, this you just fill out what interests you, and they will generate an ad for you, so you can put on your site if you already don't have one. If you already have one. So that's awesome too. I just wanted to give you a quick review. You also get an affiliate program, so you can add earn money from promoting this CBPro Ads as well, which like I said, I'll leave the link below. Guys, this is a great opportunity for you to go ahead and jump into this. I jumped on this, man. I've been looking for something like this for years now, just how to get, instead of promoting each individual link by itself from ClickBanks. This basically narrows it all down to all into one. So like, I mean, this is a no-brainer, guys. Like, seriously. So you can also always, and when you feel like, this is too long for you, you go ahead and use a Bitly. Bitly, if you don't know anything about Bitly, Bitly is this right here is a web links shortener, and basically you will shorten your link and then go ahead and promote it that way as well. So these are great products actually. So I mean, guys, like look at these. These are professional. So they CBPro ADS is actually, they'll host your storefront. So you don't even have to buy hosting for this. Like, guys, this is amazing. Can you believe this? Like, man, I wish I knew about this a long time ago when I started, years ago when I started ClickBanks. You see my everything is integrated. Everything's integrated, and your ClickBanks that you sign up with, your name that you use, it's already integrated into each system product, and you'll get credited for it. So, I mean, like I say, you can't get no better. You go to the WordPress plugins. I mean, it gives you instructions on how to build, what you need to integrate this into your WordPress. If you have a website or a blog, and they give you the widgets, and they'll give you instructions how to install it. So it's like ABC basically, but let's see. So I suggest you guys go ahead and take advantage of CBPro ads. And I mean, I purchased it and it's working well for me. I have made over $100 a day using this site now, and like, man, I'm just in love with it. Like, I can't even explain like all the troubles it takes out for you, when you're trying to promote ClickBanks, because everything's right here on these stores. Like, you get your URL, go ahead and go in here again. Let's see. Let me pick a category. So, any money making, outsourcing, make money. Like, look at these. This is like a great storefront. Like, if you're tired of promoting things from Amazon, if you do Amazon or any e-commerce, you have to get things uploaded, this is already made for you. Look, it's $97, guys. Go ahead and go in here. You got the banners on the side. Your banners are also integrated as well. You also have options to get banners within your CB4 generated. I mean CBPro ads. I don't know why I said CB4, but this tool, man. I tell you, boy, like it can't get no better than this, guys. So I just wanted to come through and show you a little bit more about CB4 ads, and look, that's me up here, right here. So 75%, guys. Like, you can't beat that. Can't beat that at all. So hey, guys, go ahead and like and subscribe. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and I'm gonna be coming at you with more reviews and more ways to set up all your affiliate accounts and stuff like that. So, man, I look forward to you guys earning money and us earning money together. And man, let's be a powerhouse together and earn some money together. So let's see, Mind Power. Let's go one more before my time's up here. Let's see, visit site. Yep, and here you go. Miss Hayes, there you go. Alright, guys, so this is a